one of the trees decorated in the town for the Christmas season, which starts in the Philippines in September. With any town, you're going to have sometimes areas of poverty. I do see a little bit more of it here in the Philippines than I do in countries like Thailand. There's the typical thing that the Philippines watch is the Korean daily soaps. So they're either watching the Korean daily soaps or they're singing music on the karaoke to get through the day. Looks like I'm in an automotive area, trying to find out if we can get some, getting a haircut around here would be good. Maybe we'll get on the Google Maps and find that out. Just come up with an idea. I've been giving away the cards to my channel. Maybe I should get one of them laminated and people can just take a photo of it to see my channel. So let's go try to do this now. See if they're open. How are ya? Can I get something laminated? You don't laminate? You do? You don't? You don't. Okay, I thought it said that you laminated on the window. You don't laminate anymore. All right, okay. Guess they don't laminate. And you'll see these here are called jeepneys, and they fit about 20 people for max. And you see they got the little numbers on the side there. That one's 13C, so that's going to a certain part of town. You'll see Talambanan, Colon, that's where that's going. Each one is different here. Seems to be a popular area. The trucks are nicely decorated, and they jam up, and people kind of jam in there, and then they pass the money up to the front. And then that little window there is where they pay the driver. So that's another one that says 13C. So I'm in Collins Street. Just went to the carbon market. Just picked up a well, I'm here, I'm stuck here. I mean, so why am I standing in front of this tree? Well, that is what we call one of the trees decorated in the town for the Christmas season, which starts in the Philippines in September. Apparently they started Christmas music here in September. So it goes for 4 or 5 months of Christmas music. That's because it's a very religious country, almost 97% Christianity, a lot of Catholics, and they had one of the biggest turnouts for the popes in the world. So right now, guys, we just finished our cool little story about Pepsi and the Pepsi Fever lottery. And don't forget, if you need a number for a lottery, put 349 down. So now we're looking to get my hair cut, because I can't show up for karaoke without good looking hair. Let's have a look. I love cut. I love cut. All right, let's see. So here's the here we go. Hair trim, 38 pesos. 38 pesos. Wow, I don't even know what the hell that's. 100 pesos is $2. So holy smokes, that's pretty cheap. Let's see if there's anybody who wants. Okay, we're gonna come back to that one if I don't find something else good. Do you know where there's a salon for cutting? A salon? Just down that way? All right, thanks, ladies. So the cool thing about finding out things in this town is you can actually ask it in English, because everything is in English. Oh, there's another salon. Wow, Filipinos love to get their hair cut there. Okay, well, we won't be going there. I think the first one I'm going to. Yeah, let's go back to the first one. Yeah, it's kind of neat to be in a country in Asia that you can speak English. I mean, Filipinos, their English is fantastic, and I think that's why they have that ability to go and work worldwide, because they're extremely skilled in things in even the pharmaceutical, of course, hospitality industry, and nurses. There's a ton of Filipino nurses here. And they all end up moving away, some to the United Arab Emirates, some to North America. Okay, let's have a look. How's it going? Are you the hair cutter?
No, just to only available. Just one in line.
You want me to wait?
Yes.
How long?
Maybe
5 minutes?
30 minutes.
So what do you do here? Are you the hairstylist? Are you hairstylist?
Junior stylist.
You're junior stylist. Where did you learn to style it? School or haircut school?
Just we have a training center.
Training center. How long does it take to?
Maybe 1 month.
1 month, huh? So this is the famous Jolly Bee. And this restaurant is well known throughout the Philippines. It's got a unique menu like hot dogs and chicken. It's basically their KFC, McDonald's combined, and it has no problem packing in the customers there. I mean, it's very busy. I see it everywhere throughout the Philippines here. So look at how dark it is, guys. It's only 4:40, and this is how dark it is outside. It's quite amazing. So I'm gonna actually try to find a place where I can get a haircut, and let's see what we can do. I can't go to karaoke looking like this. And I got another problem. We've managed to get the Pepsi store sorted out. Now I have to get the karaoke situation sorted. There's only one problem. I'll be singing by myself. If you guys didn't believe me, it's October, and this is the window display, just like they had in the old department stores. You'll see everybody's in the festive colors, getting ready for, bizarrely enough, Christmas. And apparently this display's been up for about 4 weeks now. So, and we're coming up to another shop that's selling Christmas trees and Christmas wreaths and stockings and more Christmas trees. Quite funny, actually. Holy Toledo! I found the Halloween, probably Christmas store capital. Good Lord, look at this place, all Christmas items. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Thanks. Wow, this is Christmas. Have a look at this, guys. I am in a shop in October, and you can see all the Christmas action. Christmas time, Christmas time, Christmas time, Christmas time. Wow, look at all the lights. Yeah, the Filipinos definitely love their Christmas. There's no doubt about that. Well, I gotta tell you, I should be able to trust this. It says Jude Gabato Salon, come and be Judified. Well, I can't avoid that, so that sounds pretty good. An interesting salon to get my hair done. Let's see if they're gonna do this. Now, when I get my hair cut in a country, I can speak English. The last country that I couldn't speak English in, they destroyed my hair, and it took about, I don't know, 4 months to grow back to normal. Hello, ladies.
Yes.
You cut hair?
Yeah.
Can you cut my hair?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. I'm here to be Judified. I got 3 lovely ladies who are going to help me cut my hair. Can I put that there?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready? So, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Like,
Only a trim.
I don't, yeah, only a trim. Last time I got my hair cut, was 5 months ago, and it was bad. I went and I said to the lady, just a little bit. So she got out and she went, zit, zit, and I was in trouble. So tonight I'm going to sing karaoke. I want to look good, okay?
What do you sing?
Any requests? Give me a song. I'll sing one for you. What would you like? Can I put that with you, madam? Thank you.
Many.
Who's your favorite?
My favorite is Wonder.
Who's that?
Sarah.
Who?
What song?
An American song. Can you like let's see, Billy Joel, Elvis Presley. Elvis Presley. You want Elvis Presley?
Billy Joel.
Okay, I'll do Billy Joel. Okay, so. 'Cause I can't help falling in love with you. Okay, let's do a Billy Joel now. Don't go changing, try to please me. Never thought it'd come this far. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Sing what your, songs always you sing. Just sing for us.
Okay, so let me try. Let's see if you can recognize this one. Okay. You are my fire, the one. Oh, she already got it. Desire. That's one of my goals tonight, to get down there. Well, it depends how good the haircut is. Because if it's a bad haircut, I'm not going out. How much is this haircut costing me? 60. Oh, that's like the price of. That's good. Okay. Come back to you.
Where are you from your place, your country?
Jamaica. No. Canada. I'm born in Canada. I love the Philippines though. Now I have something to ask you, ladies. Do you remember what happened with Pepsi in 1992? Pepsi? You know the drink Pepsi?
Yes.
Do you remember what happened in 1992?
No. Yeah.
Why doesn't anybody remember?
Because I'm 1981, I already married and I don't follow the news.
So I got a funny story to tell you.
What's the
So in 1992,
Coca-Cola was selling a lot, okay? Not so much Pepsi. Pepsi was really upset. Pepsi said, I want to sell more. So Pepsi had a competition. And when you open a bottle, underneath you would get a number. And on television they would call a number, and if you're number one, sometimes you'd win 100 pesos, sometimes 200 pesos. And the grand prize was 1 million pesos. So Pepsi printed a number called 349. And it was only supposed to be in 2 bottles. Okay? So on the last night, when they called the number at the end of May, on the finale of the thing, and Pepsi was selling lots, and everybody's excited, and everybody's at TV, they got the numbers already, right? Everyone's getting excited. They called the number, and it was 349. But Pepsi made a mistake. They printed 800,000 of the same number. So that night, 500,000 Filipinos thought they won 1 million pesos. And then riots started to happen. And the people were throwing bombs at the bottling factory, and people were very upset. And they asked Pepsi to pay, and Pepsi said, we'll only pay 2 winners. Yeah. They didn't have
did you remember it?
Yeah.
It was
I
pretty-
remember that. Yeah.
Pepsi fever, huh?
Yeah. Yes.
It was fever, all right. Everybody was really upset about it.
I heard that news, but
Nakuan din na siya mo na.
The whole country was upset. Everybody. Riots in the street. Anyway, she remembers. So I'm going to concentrate on the haircut and I'll come back to you.